Can't zoom out, but I want to zoom out, but I want to make sure that I'm not looking crazy whenever I do stuff. And I'm like, you can actually see. Don't look. She's indecent. This lady just freaking threw out a whole sewing machine on the road. Oh my god. I already have a sewing machine, but this one is freaking heavier. It's bigger. It's like canned out. And I'm like, hell yeah, I got a second one. I'm gonna probably give it to my sister, but I gotta check it out. I gotta make sure it works. Let me get off that page. Don't you be looking at my stuff. Don't you be looking at my emails. Who do you think you are? What are you doing? Oh my god. Let me just... can't cover nothing. It's in the inside. Don't look at my stuff. This is mine. Leave it alone. I made a whole freaking excuse about not doing anything because I ain't got a microphone, and I bought a microphone and it sounds all freaking bubbly and watery. I'm like, I don't want to use that one now. It doesn't look good. My freaking sewing machine is a freaking diva and it's annoying. And then like I got it for like $40 and I'm like, I'm just gonna figure out how to do it. So I'm gonna just sit through and power through and beat this machine up just till it does what I want it to do. And when it doesn't what I wanted to do, I'm gonna get frustrated. Be like, why the heck ain't you doing what I want you to do? And I'm gonna blame the machine for it. For me not wanting to look up the videos and stuff. Be like, what are you doing? How dare you? Now I'm not gonna know how to thread this when it goes the other way around. And let's see if this one works. This one works better than the one I'm using right now. I'm gonna switch. Gotta wait, gotta see. Hey, so guys, today we're gonna put together a dress. It's gonna be so good, but you're not gonna be able to see it because my tripod is wiggly. Oh my god. It's not easy. It's actually really dirty. Ooh. Gosh. Whoever had it, beat this thing up. Oh my god. They were not nice about it. This was a hobby that they just had an extra $200 to blow on. And it's like, you know what sounds like a good idea? I'm gonna make my own dresses. I'm gonna make my own clothes and stuff. But then they're gonna get it and be like, ooh, this sucks. This takes too much work. And I'm exactly like that because I don't want to put in all that work and stuff. Do you work? Do you work? Do you work? Why are you on a zigzag? I think that this person just broke the zigzag setting on it, so now it's probably permanently set for a zigzag stitch only. Why do you sound like that? It sounds like it runs really good, but it doesn't. Oh my god. I want this one to work because there's like no other settings on it. Can I just... Is it weird where this is just set up and it's actually on? Oh my god. I've never had my machine run so smooth. I'm always having to fight it. Oh, I got it from some old lady in a thrift store. She's like, yeah, I checked them out. I make sure that they work and everything. I just really hope this thing's just dirty and dusty and it's not just smelling weird like, hey, I'm gonna blow up when you're making something, but it works so good. And I found it in the trash. You wanna make some trash? Let's make some freaking trash. I'm good at making trash. Well, because you start off with one weird gross thing and then start off with it and end up with another one. And be like, well, at least I'm not any further than where I started. I want to make things. I want to have the unreasonably pretty, just big and takes up so much room and annoying stuff. I want to be able to control my own hours. So, like, come on. I gotta get off of my lazy butt and freaking put some stuff out there. Because I'm lazy. But I want to be lazy in my own way and it's awkward. And I'm like making all these excuses. I don't have a microphone. My phone sucks. I don't have that storage, and then just keep on going on. I'm gonna wait until I move and until I can start something with my sister because she's more interesting. But no, you're gonna have to deal with me because I'm tired of waiting. And I want to be able to do stuff. I'm going to show off all the stuff that I make. And you're either going to like it or you're not going to like it or you're not going to see this in the first place. Deal with it. If you can even hear me. The sewing machine works good. And the other one, I looked it up and it's smaller and it's not very heavy and it just bounces around and it's not good. It's just not good, and I've been freaking sewing for like 5 years, and it's not good. But I'm like, there's no way it's my machine. I'm just that dumb. It's just me. It's user error because there's no way it's the machine, but it's been the machine. It's been, oh my god. I can't think of words. It's been, the machine's been making my things not come out very good because every time I sew, it gives off a lot of that thread and sends it underneath. It starts bunching, and I'm like, man, why ain't this working? Maybe I'm just lazy and using the wrong needles and stuff. I'm not going to change these needles. I'm not going to buy something and change it every single time I change what I do because I'm not going to keep, I have no idea what I buy. I go to the thrift store and I get whatever clothes that are there that have a lot of fabric. I use all the freaking queen mattresses and crap. And if it's big enough, I'll be like, oh, I can make something out of that. I probably won't, but I went to the thrift store and I got a huge haul of stuff. And I'm like, I got a lot of stuff. And I just want to make things, and that's all I want to do. I got a lot of clothes and a lot of stuff. You don't see how much stuff I got from the thrift store. That much stuff. I got so many. I'm like, oh my god, my fabric stash is freaking balling out of control, and I got it so pretty. And I'm like, oh my god, it looks so good, and it's so organized. Except whenever the freaking tiny ones come in here, and they pull everything off the shelf. You're just gonna have to hold me accountable if you don't see anything out of this, or if I haven't put this up anywhere in like 4 days, then you got permission to be like, hey, you're flaking on us. What are you doing? Where are you at? Why are you stalling? Gotta get on my case because I'm gonna be like, there's no reason. I'm not gonna do it. But you know what? I'll go and I'll watch videos of people who are way younger than me doing what I want to do, and I'm like, why am I stalling? Why am I waiting till I'm ancient to start doing stuff? Friggin' damn it! Stop stalling. I want to do stuff. I want to make pretty anime clothes and crazy freaking costumes and stuff, and I'm not very experienced, but that's not what you're here for. If you're here at all, oh my god. I just want to make things. Just want to make the pretty things and be like, hey, it sucks, but look at it. It has pockets. Problem is, I got these and I freaking spent $10 on getting all of them. So I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna use all of them. They're gonna be so cute. They're gonna be so good. Cause like, I'm gonna use that eventually, but I don't even know if they're all in here. And I don't use patterns because I'm stubborn and I make my own. So now I got a problem. I gotta go through the entire stash and actually see if I want to keep them. But I'm lazy. I take off my shoes, so that means I'm not gonna do anything anymore. And I put on the headphones. That means that I gotta stall a little bit more. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, just stay down. Order. This is a very ugly bow. Ooh, got my freaking these things. Oh my gosh. Strings. Things and more strings. Oh my gosh.